Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you what I have here. This came in this little box like this. It is a Wi-Fi camera. So if you're doing making devices and maker kind of things, this can be for you. So what it comes with is it comes with a little battery, the little control unit here, and then the camera is right up here. So you can put this into anything. So if you wanted to disassemble a stuffed animal and put this as one of the eyes or something like that, you can do that. Comes with different, little loops and covers and things like that that you can put over the camera as well to make it look like different things. So you can kind of have your own little setup there. And then when you do, you connect it up to your phone. There's an app, just connects up to the app, and you can just see the camera right on there. So if I face it to me, you can see this is how it looks. Sorry, I'm just getting lots of different messages here, but you can see that's what it looks like there, and you can move it around and whatever. And so that's all coming out of this camera here. And it comes with a little compact, slot for your memory card. So it came with a gigabit memory card. Comes with a little recharging device, so you can recharge the battery through this little thing here. Somewhere there's a port on it, right there. There's a little port, and then there's the little on-off button and everything else. So a very cool little setup. So if you're into making stuff or want to set up a little camera, I know I have some friends that put things onto like model trains and stuff like that. You could put this camera out to pretty much anything. So really cool. And if you need any type of like a little camera kind of thing, this is going to be the smallest little thing I've seen here. So you could set that up into anything. So pretty cool. I like it. Nice little setup. Thumbs up for sure.